The court is required to consider the standard of living the parties maintained as a factor in determining the amount and duration of an award of spousal maintenance. For example, the court will consider the size, location, and monthly cost associated with the home in which the parties lived. The court will consider the types of cars the parties typically drove. The court will consider the amount the parties spent on clothing, the amount they spent on jewelry, the vacations they took, as well as the cost of living and other expenses when determining the lifestyle the parties maintained during their marriage. The court is essentially determining the lifestyle the parties had during their marriage to determine what their lifestyle will be after they are divorced. Now, this is not to say the court will award an amount of spousal maintenance that will allow a spouse to continue that same lifestyle into the future. To the contrary, most forms of spousal maintenance are intended to provide a spouse financial support for a sufficient period of time to allow him or her to obtain the education, training, and/or work experience to provide for his or her own needs independent of continued spousal maintenance payments.